How to clean a wardrobe properly. Keeping your wardrobe clean is essential for maintaining your clothes and keeping your space organized. Follow these steps to clean your wardrobe properly. Materials needed. 1. Microfiber cloth or soft cloth. 2. Mild detergent or wood cleaner for wooden wardrobes. 3. White vinegar and water solution for deep cleaning. 4. Baking soda for odor removal. 5. Vacuum cleaner with brush attachment. 6. Soft bristled brush. 7. Bucket of warm water. 8. Dry towel. 9. Scented sachets or air freshener, optional step-by-step cleaning guide. 1. Empty the wardrobe. 1. Remove all clothes, shoes, and other items from the wardrobe. 2. Check for any unnecessary items and set them aside for donation or disposal. 2. Dust and vacuum the interior. 1. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the shelves, doors, and drawers. 2. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove dust and debris from hard-to-reach corners. 3. Wipe down the surfaces. 1. For wooden wardrobes, use a wood cleaner or a mixture of mild detergent and warm water. 1. Wipe the surfaces with a damp cloth, then dry immediately with a towel. 2. For laminate or metal wardrobes, use a mixture of water and mild detergent to clean the surfaces, then wipe with a dry cloth. 3. For glass doors, use a glass cleaner or a mixture of water and white vinegar for a streak-free shine. 4. Clean wardrobe handles and corners. 1. Use a soft bristled brush to clean intricate designs or hard-to-reach corners. 2. Wipe wardrobe handles with a disinfectant to remove germs and fingerprints. 5. Remove odors. 1. Sprinkle baking soda inside the wardrobe and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before wiping or vacuuming. 2. Place scented sachets, charcoal bags, or a small bowl of baking soda inside the wardrobe to keep it fresh. 6. Organize and return items. 1. Before placing items back, check for any unnecessary items to declutter your wardrobe. 2. Organize clothes neatly using storage boxes, dividers, or hangers. 3. Place frequently used items in easy-to-reach areas and seasonal clothes in higher or lower sections. 7. Regular maintenance tips. 1. Dust your wardrobe weekly to prevent dirt buildup. 2. Keep a small dehumidifier or silica gel packets inside to prevent moisture and mold. 3. Organize and declutter your wardrobe every few months. By following these steps, your wardrobe will stay clean, fresh, and organized, making it easier to find and maintain your belongings. Smiley face.